So we're going to learn how to create an iMovie. First, you're going to want to click on this big plus button and then go down and click on Movie. Next, you can select any pictures from your camera roll that you want to add into the movie. So I'll just select these ones and go down and hit Create Movie. And it will load all your pictures up. So now you have all the pictures you've selected in your movie so far. And you can choose how long a picture runs for if you don't like it. You simply go back and you tap on that picture, hold and drag the yellow line back, like right here. And now your picture runs for a shorter time. You can also change the transitions in between clips. Just click on this yellow highlighted button and change it down at the bottom. There are many different types to choose from. Just pick a different one until it's the right effect that you want. Next, we can add music to the background of your clip. Just go up to the top corner and hit the gear shown here. And then underneath the word theme, you have these different soundtracks to choose from to put over your movie. So let's say I want playful, and then you turn the button on besides theme soundtrack. And now that audio plays through your whole movie. Next, if you want to add in a photo or a video clip after you've already created the movie, you can go up here to the top corner and hit the plus button and either hit video or photo, and I'm going to hit video, and go into recently added and click which video you want to add in. Also, if one of your clips is in the wrong order and you need to move it, you can just hold down on whatever you want to move and drag it across the screen like this, and you just drag it in between whichever two clips you want it to go. Lastly, you can put text onto any of the clips that you want. Just tap on it and see in the bottom where it says titles. You tap on that and choose which kind of text you want. And I'm going to choose pop-up and tap on title text here, hit the backspace button, and then start typing whatever you want to say. And those are the basics of iMovie.